How do I enter Employee Stock Purchase Plan ESPP sales? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you enter the Employee Stock Purchase Plan ESPP sales in TaxAct. To enter your ESPP sales in TaxAct for the tax year 2024, you'll typically need to follow the steps. First of all, log into your TaxAct account, visit the TaxAct website and log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the section of your account where you can access your tax return. This may be labeled as My Returns or something similar. Then navigate to the income information. This section may be labeled as income, wages, and income or similar. Enter the ESPP cells. Look for an option or form within the income section specifically for reporting the stock sales or investment income. TaxAct typically provides a form or interview process to guide you through entering this information. Enter the details of your ESPP sales, including the sale price, the cost basis, including any discount received when purchasing the stock, and the date of the sale. You may also need to provide information about any taxes withheld or reported on the Form 1099-B. Double-check the information you have entered to ensure accuracy and make sure all the ESPP sales are reported correctly and any applicable taxes are accounted for. Once you have entered your ESPP sales information, continue with the rest of your tax return. TaxAct will calculate your tax liability based on the information you have provided. After completing all the sections of your tax return and reviewing for the accuracy, you can proceed to file your tax return electronically using the TaxAct's e-file option or by printing and mailing it to the IRS. If you encounter any difficulties or have any questions while entering your ESPP cells in TaxAct, consult TaxAct help resources or contact their customer support for further assistance. They should be able to provide a guidance and help you navigate the process effectively. So this is basically on how can you enter the Employee Stock Purchase Plan ESPP sales in TaxAct. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.